feels so blue. Can't seem to do a thing right, it's true. I can fix anything, but not this life. Sometimes it feels like fading out of sight. So why not wander through the woods? Just keep walking until I'm understood. Let nature take this body back to ground, where it came from, where silence is found. Sad world we're living in, where man's emotions are seen as sin. Stone cold seems the only way, thanks to women pushing us astray. So what to say? So why not wander through the woods? Just keep walking until I'm understood. Let nature take this body back to ground, where it came from, where silence is found. Since that world we're living in, where man's emotions are seen as sin. We're not allowed to speak of despair, even though it's heavy in the air. So some of us quietly disappear, leaving them alone with their fear. Boy, the bad boy, that's clear. But when the guys are gone, you'll shed a tear. Don't ask where the good guys went, crushed so much by women, or feeling spared. Why can't I speak without being judged? In this world, it's like I'm trudging through sludge. I'm supposed to be stone cold and strong, but inside I feel like everything's gone wrong. So why not wander through the woods? Just keep walking until I'm understood. Let nature take this body back to ground, where it came from, where silence is found. Thanks to the ones who gave us birth, who couldn't teach us our true worth. In the end we'll find our peace, in the quiet woods our troubles cease.